Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Viewing the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has retreated from that yearly high around 94.4050, and also to note it's broken a short-term trend. In light of the technical assessment, both looking at the RSI and the MACD, we are breaking down and therefore could see further weakness that looks towards the support area of 93.4060. This on the flip side will see further bullish momentum from the euro. It was pointed out yesterday that the bullish divergence could kick into play and therefore, as we can see, has strengthened due to this Marubozu candle and therefore could see a rise up towards that top side of the range around 116.10 to 116.60 and reassess from there. This has also put the Australian dollar in a slightly better place to squeeze higher, with the resistance seen around 74.15. As long as we don't break above there, then I'm staying to a bearish case back towards the bottom side of the range around 73.05. Above 74.15 will leave me neutral in the short term due to the fact we are getting somewhat overbought, but the ADX is trending to support this current rise. Looking at the dollar yen, the market is still poised to a further test to the top side of the range after recapturing that 113 midway point. However, we are backing off in the RSI, so I do feel that any advances may eventually catch the bulls in a trap and therefore see the market pull back towards that bottom side of the range around 112.75 and reassess from there. The pound has also strengthened up slightly and pushing back to the top side of the range, which could be around 137 figure 15, with this slight strength coming back to the RSI and also the MACD. It does favour this move up, but could again see a trap. Overall, though, I feel the dollar index can still push higher, but it's got to close above 94.40 to get to that 95 area. Talking of bull traps, well, CAD yen still is in a place that could see this, as we are extremely overbought and the ADX is overheating quite heavily and therefore could see a rejection soon from this mid 91 range and pull back to the 89 area. With a $35 rally in gold, the market is now destined to challenge the top side, but still has a lot of work to do to clear that 1,800 level. If it fails that and we close under 1,776, would reinstate the downside back to 1,748. So we are in a bit of a mixed range at the moment, but the ADX is trending a little bit better than previously to the bull case. Let's see if we can close above 1,800. And if not, then the bears are likely to return. Wrapping up with oil, but the market is still showing weak signals to that topside challenge, even though we have revisited back towards the 7-year highs of $80 a barrel. Looking at where we are at the moment, I'm still a little bit showing divergence. I'm a bit careful in calling any bullish calls. I'm neutral at this level, but a close under 78.65 would give further confirmation to the recent shooting star and therefore see a drop back towards $74 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day.